How to play games on LG Smart TV. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to play games on your LG Smart TV. So whether you want to use built-in apps or connect external devices, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, ensure that you have an LG Smart TV model that supports gaming. Most LG Smart TVs come with the LG Content Store, which allows you to download various games. Next, press the home button on your remote to open the main menu. Look for the LG Content Store icon and select it to enter the store. In the LG Content Store, you can browse the games section. Here, you'll find a variety of games available for download, including casual games and more complex titles. To download a game, select the game you want and click on Install or Download. The game will be added to your TV's app list once the download is complete. After downloading, go back to the main menu and you'll find your new game under My Apps. Select the game to launch it and start playing. If you prefer more immersive gaming, you can also connect external devices like gaming consoles. Use HDMI cables to connect your console to one of the HDMI ports on your LG TV. Once your console is connected, press the input button on your remote to change the input source to the HDMI port where your console is connected. Many LG Smart TVs have a game mode feature that optimizes your settings for gaming. So to enable it, go to Settings, then Picture, and look for the Game Mode option. Turn it on for a better gaming experience. And that's how to play games on your LG Smart TV. So whether you are using built-in apps or an external console, you can enjoy a great gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using your LG Smart TV to the best. Thanks for watching.